think chia seeds are the ultimate superfood. You're not wrong, but here's the problem. Most people are using them the wrong way. And without even realizing it, they're canceling out the very benefits they're hoping to get. Worse, some of these mistakes could actually be damaging your digestion. Let's uncover the 7 chia seed mistakes that could be the reason you still feel bloated, tired, or stuck, even after going healthy. Chia seeds are supposed to help with digestion, weight loss, and heart health, right? But the truth is, if you're using them the wrong way, they might actually be doing more harm than good. Let's break it all down. So you've added chia seeds to your routine, maybe in your morning smoothie, yogurt, or overnight oats. You've heard about the omega-3s, the fiber, the protein, all the superfood hype. But what most people don't realize is that how you use chia seeds can either unlock their full potential or totally ruin it. Today, we're talking about the 7 chia seed mistakes that are sabotaging your health goals and how to fix them. Some of these may sound harmless, but wait till you hear mistake 4. Almost everyone does it, and it quietly messes with your blood sugar every day. Here's the deal. Chia seeds are powerful, but they're not magic, and the wellness world loves to oversimplify things. Just add chia to your diet, but if you're not using them correctly, the timing, the portion, even the way you soak them, you're wasting your time, money, and energy. I've seen people try to eat clean, make healthy changes, and they still feel bloated, tired, or stuck at the same way. And when we dig into their routine, guess what? Chia seed mistakes pop up more often than you'd think. If you care about your gut, your energy, and seeing real results, stick around. Fixing just one of these mistakes could transform how you feel after every meal. Fixing these mistakes is easier than you think, and your body will thank you for it. Let's jump in. Mistake 1. Eating chia seeds dry. This is the most common and the most dangerous. Never eat chia seeds dry. When they hit liquid, they swell up to 12 times their size. Now imagine tossing a spoonful of dry chia into your mouth and chasing it with water. That can lead to choking, throat blockages, and even gut impaction in rare cases. But beyond safety, soaking chia is how you unlock its benefit. Soaked chia creates a gel-like texture that's easier to digest, gentler on the gut, and allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently. The real power of chia isn't in the seed itself, it's in how you prepare it. Fix it. Soak chia seeds in water for at least 15 to 30 minutes, or overnight. Use a ratio of 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to ½ cup of water. You'll notice your digestion feels smoother and lighter almost immediately. Mistake 2. Overeating chia seeds. Yes, chia is healthy, but more isn't better. This is a big mistake people make when they hear it's good for fiber or weight loss. Chia seeds are extremely high in soluble fiber. That's good for gut health. But if you suddenly eat 3 or 4 tablespoons a day without easing into it, that's a fast track to bloating, gas, and constipation. Chia absorbs water, swells up, and creates bulk. Too much too fast will overwhelm your digestive system. Fix it. Start small. If you're new to chia, begin with 1 teaspoon a day, then slowly increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons max per day. And always drink more water when you eat chia. That water is what helps the fiber move through your system. Mistake 3. Not soaking in the right liquid. Water's fine, but soaking chia in acidic liquids like lemon water, apple cider vinegar, or even fresh pineapple juice can actually enhance its absorption. These liquids help break down the seed's outer layer faster, making nutrients like omega-3s and protein more bioavailable. Also, don't soak in sugary drinks. A lot of people make this mistake by dumping chia into fruit juice cocktails or sweetened milk, and they wonder why their energy crashes later. Fix it. Soak in plain filtered water, coconut water, or lemon water for a clean, energy-boosting base. Want a super combo? Mix 1 tablespoon of chia with ½ cup water, a splash of lemon, and a dash of pink salt. It's nature's electrolyte drink. Mistake 4. Eating them without pairing with protein or fat. This one's subtle, but important. Chia seeds do have protein and fat, but not enough to keep your blood sugar stable if you're just mixing them with fruit or juice. That spike and crash effect can lead to cravings, fatigue, and weight gain. Fix it. Pair chia with healthy fat and protein. Mistake 5. Relying on chia for omega-3s without conversion awareness. Chia seeds are high in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3. But here's the catch. Your body has to convert ALA into EPA and DHA, the forms your brain and heart actually use. Conversion rate. It's very low, around 5% or less. If you're counting on chia as your only omega-3 source, you're missing out on the deeper anti-inflammatory benefit. Fix it. Keep chia in your diet, but add cold water fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, algal oil supplements, or walnuts to cover your EPA and DHA needs. Chia is part of the solution, not whole thing. Mistake 6. Not checking for freshness. Chia seeds go rancid more often than people think, especially if they're stored in warm, humid places or not sealed properly. Rancid chia seeds lose their nutrients and can even become mildly toxic over time. If they smell fishy or sour, toss them out. Fix it. Store chia seeds in an airtight glass container, in a cool, dark place, or even in the fridge. Check the expiration date and give them a sniff before using. Also, don't buy massive bulk bags unless you go through them quickly. Freshness matters. Mistake 7. Using chia without enough water throughout the day. Even if you soak your chia properly, the fiber needs water to do its job in your digestive system. If you're even slightly dehydrated, chia can slow things down. Instead of helping you feel light and clean, it can make you feel bloated and sluggish. Fix it. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. More if you're eating high-fiber foods like chia, flax, or psyllium husk. Chia works best when your body has what it needs to keep everything moving. So now you've seen how something as healthy as chia seeds can quietly backfire, not just wasting nutrients but potentially triggering long-term gut issues if used wrong. You're not alone if you've made one or all of these mistakes. Most people have no idea that a spoonful of dry chia or 1 extra tablespoon could be the reason they feel bloated, tired, or stuck. But here's the good news. Every single mistake we just talked about is easy to fix. Once you do, you'll finally start seeing the real benefits. Better digestion, more energy, stable blood sugar, and that calm, steady feeling that comes from a healthy gut. Because when chia seeds are used right, they're one of the most powerful natural tools you have got. Quickly recap the 7 chia seed mistakes. Eating them dry, always soak, overeating. Stick to 1-2 tablespoons max. Soaking in sugary or poor quality liquids. Use water or lemon water. Not pairing with protein or fat. Combine with yogurt, nuts, or nut butter. Assuming they're a complete omega-3 source, add fish or algal oil. Using stale chia, store smart and check freshness. Skipping water, stay hydrated throughout the day. Small tweaks create big shifts, especially in holistic health. This is about working with your body, not against it. One mindful change at a time. That's how real transformation happens. If this video helped you, hit that like button so more people can avoid these mistakes. And if you want more no-fluff, practical holistic health tips that actually work, subscribe to the channel now. Let me know in the comments which mistakes surprised you the most, or what do you want us to break down next. Your health journey doesn't have to be confusing. Let's make it simple together.